Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to add a video to your Tinder profile. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. What we need to do is simply add a video to our Tinder profile. For that, what we need to do is simply go to Edit Profile Settings. At the bottom right, here's a profile-like icon. Simply click on it. Then this page will open up. Well guys, as we do want to edit our profile, what we need to do is simply click on this pen-like icon right here. I'm gonna click on it, then this page will open up. Do note that I have added several photos, and right now I want to add a video as well. I'm simply gonna click on this plus icon right here, and something like this will open up. Do note that you can upload photos or simply capture from your camera. For your information, what we're gonna upload is not a video to be exact. To be precise, it's a loop rather than a video. I'm just gonna select the second button right here, and among all these videos, select whichever one you wish. I'm gonna select this one, and as you can see, this video is on loop. Simply select the section which you want to put on the video. And guys, as you can see, this is the loop that I'm okay with. Once everything's okay, simply hit on next. Finally, what you need to do is click on this button right here that says done. And guys, there you go, the upload is in progress. As you can see, the upload has been successfully done. And guys, that's it. That's how you add a video to your Tinder profile. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.